Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome guys, this is Rizwan, you are watching Sparkline. Today I'm gonna show you Realme 2 smartphone. Hey guys, this is Realme 2 budget smartphone. I bought it in flipkart.com. The price was 8,990 rupees. And this is the box, looks like this, and there is a brand name Realme 2, and the other side also same Realme 2. In the bottom there is some manufacturing details, the customer care and email ID details. This smartphone really value for money, you can buy it. So open the box, we'll see what are inside. Inside the box you will get silicone mobile cover. They have given, and this is the user guidelines. Let's keep it aside. And this also user guidelines for SIM details. And this is the device. Let's keep it aside, we'll see what are other inside. And you will get USB, micro USB, and adapter. This is the fast charging adapter. There's a have mentioned brand name Oppo. There is a 5 volts 2 amp. It's nice. Just keep it aside. Guys, this is the device Realme 2. Let's remove the cover and power on. Yeah, this is a Realme 2. The bottom side has given speaker, micro USB chargeable point, mic and 3.5 mm jack. There is the other side has given 2 micro SIM slot and micro SD card. There is a volume button also. Multi touchscreen ratio 88.80, maximum bright 360 unit. This display comes with a notch screen 19.9:2. Backside has given dynamic look. The primary camera comes 13 plus 2 megapixels with LED flash. Secondary camera comes 8 megapixels. I have taken few pictures indoor and outdoor. Let's see this how it is clarity. This device has 3-finger screenshot, and also you can use dual app in WhatsApp and Facebook. Dual app also you can use from 3 fingers like this. This is the very fast face unlock. Look at this, it is working very quickly. Guys, if you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel We'll see you on next video.